The recent powerful earthquake in Japan reminds us of the importance of understanding these natural events. Knowing why they happen and how to react is vital for safety. Earthquakes occur when tectonic plates, the large sections of Earth's outer shell, move and collide. Stress builds up along fault lines, eventually releasing as seismic waves. This sudden energy release causes the ground to shake. During an earthquake, immediately drop cover and hold on. Drop to the ground, take cover under a sturdy object, and hold on until shaking stops. If outside, move to an open space away from structures. Always have an emergency kit prepared. Your preparedness can make all the difference. Stay informed and practice these safety measures.